Cheese, cheese, did you say cheese? I love cheese. Welcome back to another unboxing, guys. So today we are checking out this cheese board. So it's a full cheese board with some accessories. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Woo! Oh, now we gotta go get some cheese. Hey guys, this is it. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a very nice sized board, very thick as well, bamboo board. So you can put cheese blocks over here, there for holding or for storing. You can cut here. They give you these different utensils. So you got the fork light, you have your knife, and if you can see right here, there is a blade on that right there for slicing and cutting. You also have a flat. It's got a little cutting right there, so you could cut with that as well. All their stuff is sharpened, but not super sharp. As you can see, the front of that blade, you can go straight down. So, due to what's going on in the world, we don't have any cheese to test it out for you guys. But we got this for when we have Super Bowl parties, for July parties, and other parties. So it's going to work great for slicing cheese and doing stuff like that. Now, I also got this not for just cheese. We're going to use this for cutting bananas, for strawberries, for other stuff as well. Because I like how it has this line up. So you can use this for more than just cheese.